sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi!
Hello children, welcome back to online class. This is our second online class. Okay, in the previous class you have learned our earth in our care, and this is a story about Kunal and his plant friends. I hope you all understood the story. Okay, so today we are going to learn unit 1, Go Green Plant World. Go Green Plant World. Okay, dear children, what we can see around us? What we can see around us? Yes, we can see so many things around us. For example, animals, birds, plants, etc. So children, do you see greenery all around us? Do you see greenery all around us? Yes, we can see plant everywhere and greenery everywhere. Okay, so they all look like same? They all look the same? No, some plants are big and some are small, some are tall and some are short. Here you can see in this picture all the plants, all the trees are different sizes and different shapes. Okay, like us, all the plants and trees also look different. Okay, today in this chapter we are going to learn types of plant and parts of plant. Let me see in detail. Okay, first one, types of plants. Herbs, shrubs, clambers, trees, creepers, these all types of plants. Okay, let me see one by one. So first one, trees. First one, trees. Trees they grow tall and have a thick, hard and strong woody stem. And trees live for many years. Trees live for many years. And they have very strong and woody stem. Here you can see this is stem and it is strong and woody. Okay, so trees live for many years. For example, neem tree and banyan tree has lived for many years. These lives for 100 years. Okay, next one, shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Here are some examples for shrubs plant. Okay, rose plant, tulsi plant and cotton plant. These all shrubs. But shrubs are still strong and they have a hard and thin stem with many branches. Here this stem is very thin and many branches. Most of them live for few years. Most of them live for few years. Okay, these are the examples of shrubs. Next one, herbs. Herbs are much smaller than trees and shrubs. Herbs are much smaller than trees and shrubs. They have soft stem and roots. Okay, this is the example for herbs, coriander and mint. These all herbs. They have smaller than trees and shrubs. They have soft stems and roots. Here you can see this stem was very soft and root also. Okay, so children, Are all plants are strong? No. Some plants need support because they are too weak to grow on their own. Like clambers need support to grow. Some plants need support because they are too weak to grow on their own. Here you can see some examples of clambers plant. Okay, bitter gourd plant, grape plant, and money plant. These are the examples of clambers. Clambers grow vertically. Vertically means upside, means upright. Upright, and they spread across with the support of stick and balls, among other things. Here you can see they need support to grow. They need support to grow, then only they will grow straight, otherwise they will not grow. Okay, next one, creepers. Creepers are one of the weakest types of plant. They have a weak stem. Here are some examples: watermelon, pumpkin, and muskmelon. These are the creepers. They grow along the ground as they have no support. See, they grow along the ground as they have no support. Okay, and creepers, some are heaviest fruits and vegetables like watermelon, pumpkin. These are the creepers. They grow along the ground. Okay, so children, these all trees, shrubs, herbs, clambers, and creepers are types of plant. Okay, next we move on parts of plant. Dear children, how we all have body parts, just like us, even plants are made up of different parts. This is a picture of plant and that has different parts like roots, leaves, flowers, fruit, stem, and bud. These are parts of plant. So let us see one by one. Okay, first one, roots. Roots are below the ground. Here we can see roots. Okay, roots. Roots are below the ground. Roots support and hold the plant together and also absorb water and mineral from the soil for the plant. So, roots are support and hold the plant together and also absorb water, minerals from the soil for the plant. Then only they will grow. Okay, next one, stem. Stem is a central part of the plant and it carries food and water to the whole plant. Stem is a central part of the plant and it carries food and water to the whole plant. Okay, next one, leaves. Leaves are usually green in color. Okay, leaves are usually green color, and leaves also make their food for the plant with the help of sunlight. Leaves are green in color and leaves are make food for the plant with the help of sunlight. Okay, how we all are make us food. We all are preparing food for us. In the same way, leaves also preparing their food help of sunlight, with the help of sunlight. Okay. Next, flowers. Flowers are very colorful. Flowers are very colorful and it smells good. and flowers make seeds and fruits. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. Some flowers are good smell like jasmine plant, jasmine flower, and also rose flower. These are the very beautiful flowers and so it's good smell. Okay. Next, fruits. Fruits grow from flowers of the plant. Plants give us varieties of fruits. We eat fruits like apple, banana, pineapple, oranges, mangoes, strawberry. Okay, fruits are very tasty and good for our health. And plants give us dry fruits also like almonds, cashews, pistas, walnut and date. Okay, these all fruits and dry foods good for our health. Dear children, now you know about this chapter. Plants are of different types like trees, shrubs, herbs and creepers and also climbers. These are the types of plant. Okay, and roots hold the plant together and absorb water and minerals from the soil. And the stem transports food, water, minerals to all the other parts of the plant. Okay, the leaves make food for the plant and the flowers add to their beauty. And plants are living things and they have breathe, grow and they store food and die. Okay, so children, today's activity is name the type of plant on which these fruits, vegetables and flowers grow. Okay, name the types of plant on which these fruits, vegetables and flowers grow. So this is the activity in your textbook it was, so you should write. For example, tree, apple is a tree. Okay, and grape is a climber. Okay, so children, I hope you all are understood this chapter. Thank you children, thank you for watching the video.